I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Cooking with Captains! Today, I'm attempting to make Earth food that's so fun and easy that big people, little people, and even captains can make it. But before we get started, here's a special word from Nana Starlight.
Chickens don't have lips. That's why they never blow raspberries.
No, Nana, I mean the other message.
Oh yes, sorry. Cooking in the kitchen can be fun, but always make sure you have an adult to help you.
Wise words, Nana. Today, we're making mini crumpet pizza aliens. Here's what you'll need. Crumpets, cheese, pizza sauce, olives, tomato, eggplant, rocket, cool, ham if you would like. Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to start decorating your face. Your pizza's face, not your face. Your face looks great already. Remember, you can decorate it however you like. Step 1. Start with placing your already toasted crumpet down on the table. This is going to be the base of your pizza face. Each face must begin with a base, a face base. Step 2. Now let's take our face to the sauce salon and squeeze a fair amount of pizza sauce over it. You can use a spoon to smooth it over your crumpet. Step 3. Take the cheese and place it on top of the sauce. Spread it out so it covers the majority of your base. Step 4. Now, the fun part! Time to decorate your face with all of your chopped up toppings. You get to decorate your alien face however you like. But I'm going to show you what little creature I'm going to make. I'm going to use these olives for my pizza's eyes. My alien's going to have 3 eyes so it can have X-ray vision. Here I've prepared a cherry tomato for the perfect little button nose. Boop! Now I'm going to use this eggplant to make the mouth. My creature is going to have big alien lips, and then I'm going to put little pieces of ham in there to make some wobbly teeth. I've brought down on the rocket ship some space rocket to decorate as well. I'm going to give eyebrows and some cool groovy hair. This is the part where you get an adult to help you. It's time to pop your alien friend in the oven until the cheese melts and all of the toppings are cooked. Nana, could you give us a hand, please?
Oh, I have more than one helpful hand, dearie. I won Planet Starlight's greatest bake-off 3 years in a row.
Good one, Nana. While you wait for your food to cook, why not check out more of our videos on YouTube? 10 minutes really felt like no time at all. And here we have it, Shazam! Our cooked pizza face. I'm gonna call him Norbert. I'm gonna play some tic-tac-toe with Norbert while I wait for him to cool down before I eat him. What was that, Norbert? Oh no, I said beat him, like in our game of tic-tac-toe. I definitely said eat. Thanks for cooking along with me today. Stay tuned for more Cooking with Captains episodes coming out soon. Bye!